It is debarkation day on Sunshine, and it is 7:02. We're going to hit the timer on Michelle's phone. Tell you guys how long it takes to get out of here. We did have priority debarkation, so we're supposed to be at 7:15 in the liquid lounge. We may try to bypass that. I don't know. We're going to try it. We'll see how long it took us. An hour to get on the ship. We'll see how long it takes us to get from our room to our truck and see how long it takes. Come along with us. Check it out. Just a reminder that Carnival Sunshine in Charleston, they have a no sound ordinance. So check your TV out. I can't remember if it's channel 14. You'll figure it out. But then the cruise director will be telling you how to get off the ship and what zones are calling out. So pay attention to that. But it is a silent debarkation, so there is no announcement. All right, we're walking to get off the ship here. We are on 2 aft. We're going to have to go down to the... You need to go down the next one. You can't go up right here. That's James Love, our cruise director. And now we're going up to 4. Was it Limelight Lounge or Liquid Lounge? Liquid Lounge, right?
We are now ready for you. Bye, y'all.
Have to go back to deck number 5 or 9. Wait,
Go, Michelle. Go. Set to the right.
Line that down. Where are your people?
Behind the glass elevators, down one.
There's no one right now.
Enjoyed you, man.
Thank you.
All right, a little bit of confusion. But we got priority debarkation. Some people try to cheat and get straight off, which we've done that before, unfortunately. So that's going out. All right, so this is a line on 3 to get out. It's wrapped around, going back around. All right, this is still trying to head out. Debarkation morning, Carnival Sunshine. They have people looping around. They got these blocked off so people can't cheat. Okay, you're gonna go back up here and use your sign or sell card. They'll scan it to leave the ship. So there's 2 lines there. There's one, supposedly this is faster fun, but I think everybody just jumps in it. And there's another line over there. We're to the right outside the Sunset Restaurant. Excuse me. So now they just scan your badge, let you out. All right, now you just go in reverse of the gangway to go back off. All right, we're off the gangway. There's the Miss Carnival Sunshine. Now we're walking into the terminal, and then we'll get on a bus, or you could walk without going to the bus, but you'll go to an area where they drop your bags off. More ramps. All right, now we're out. If you checked your luggage the night before with a little tag on it that has like a number on it, like 76, whatever, that will be at the terminals where you'll pick that luggage out. If you just took your luggage with you, you'll keep it. Either way, you'll have to turn it over to the bus. They'll put it on the bus. And then as you go to the last drop zone, that's where you'll get your luggage to take it to your car. All right, it's been 25 minutes and we just got on the bus. We're way back that way. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Hey, what's up, everyone?
Hey, we are glistening.
We are glistening, hot and sweaty. The humidity in Charleston is so...
It's got to be 100.
Well, everybody knows that lives down here, or in the South, but it took us 39 minutes, 59 seconds, 0.87. So right at 40 minutes from the time we got to our room to the time we got to our car, which our truck was parked almost the furthest you can in this parking lot. Which is our norm. For some reason, we get stuck out here. One of two rows every time. But what did you think overall the process, Michelle?
It wasn't bad. We had to wait a little while for the bus, but it wasn't bad. Once it started moving, it was good.
So once you get into the terminal, they have your luggage. If you check your luggage, it's down in the bottom of the terminal. For some reason, I missed that step last time, I believe, or in my head I was missing it. Then you get your luggage. Then you roll it to the shuttle. They load your luggage back onto a little bus, and I got sweat coming down my nose here. And then when you get to another drop-off area, they take your luggage and lay it out for you. So then you pick it up again and then carry it or roll it to your vehicle. So as far as porters, there's 2 sets of porters that you would need to tip, or if you plan on tipping somebody.
And we tip the bus.
And if you want to tip the bus driver, tip him as well. He was really nice. But 40 minutes from the room to get out. Not too bad. I mean, it took us an hour to get on, which is the quickest we'd ever got on. It took an hour and 15 minutes previously on 2 other trips out of Charleston. So I would allow 45 minutes for the process to get off. Again, we did have priority, so we got to leave. And if we'd have rolled our luggage off, which would have been a pain in the butt, we may have gotten a little bit sooner, but it's a very long walk. So if you've got mobility issues, don't try it. Use the shuttle. Right, yes. Michelle?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, we'll see y'all later. Anthony, what do you think?
I think I'm ready to go home now.
He's ready to go home now. Let's go home.
Bye.
Thank you, guys. Bye.